Hey guys, so several months ago I got an Old Town Topwater 120 PDL and I've been featuring that kayak in a bunch of my videos. I absolutely love it. But what I didn't talk about was actually the first one that came through had been damaged by a forklift. Looks like they had driven a forklift into the side of it, and they messed up the chair and they cracked the hole really bad. But Old Town was super awesome. They got me a new kayak right away, and it didn't take but another couple weeks to get another one, so it worked out fine. But the company that shipped it didn't want to take the kayak, so I got stuck with it. And it's just been sitting on the side of my house all winter long. I'm not really sure what to do with it. So I thought I would try and restore it, since the damage was actually done above the waterline. You can see there's a really significant impact here that cracked the hole. Otherwise, the chair was annihilated, but the PDL drive itself was totally fine. So I'm going to try and patch this, clean this kayak back up, since it's been just kind of laying here underneath the trees. Get it back in ship shape order and see if we can actually do something with it rather than it just go into a landfill. So I'm going to take you along on that journey. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so while I was cleaning this up, I actually found another chunk of damage. This looks like the forklift actually went through on this side right here along that crack. It went in and then it came out and actually broke the inside here, so I'm gonna have to patch this too. That looks like to be the extent of the damage. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some hot water and soap and get all the dirt and grime off this thing real quick. Okay, so I've got it all cleaned up pretty well now. Just gonna let it air dry. And then I'm gonna have to remove this pocket here. I might go ahead and remove all the pockets and tracks and just clear some of the mud and dirt out from underneath them. But I'm gonna have to remove this because I'm gonna need to get in here and patch that part where the forklift came through. And then I'm gonna have to do some prep around the sites that I'm going to patch. So that'll be the next step. Alright guys, so I've completed my kayak restoration of my Old Town Topwater 120 that was stabbed by a forklift. I think it turned out pretty well. Let's take a look at it. As you can see here, I didn't match the paint perfect, but I'm not too really worried about that. But you can see that thing is hard as a rock. It's really adhered on there. From a distance, it's really kind of even hard to tell that there's anything wrong with it, so it looks really good. But those gator patches firmed up really hard in just a matter of an hour. The one on the inside here is hard as plastic, so I think it went pretty well. Boat's all shined up, got a coat of UV protectant on there, so it should be good to go for the upcoming season. We got chair and PDL drives all in working order, so good to go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little video. It was kind of a fun one, a little bit different, but it goes along well with my environmental ethic of not to waste anything. So if you have any questions about the gator patches or patching your kayak or some of the other things I was using on restoring this kayak, just let me know in the comments below. I'll put a link to the gator patches below. You can get them on Amazon pretty easy. Alright, till next time guys. See you later, out on the water, out on the ice. Hope you get out there and do some fishing. See you, bye.